Why do some people build wealth while others struggle financially? It often comes down to one thing: mindset. Let's explore the key differences between a rich mindset and a poor mindset, and how these perspectives shape financial destinies. A split screen appears. On the left, a well-dressed man, the investor, calmly analyzes stock charts on a large monitor in a modern home office. On the right, a casually dressed man, the spender, scrolls through his phone while waiting for a barista to hand him an elaborately decorated expensive coffee. The first crucial difference lies in how they view assets versus liabilities. The poor mindset often mistakes liabilities, things that take money out of your pocket, for assets. They prioritize the appearance of wealth over the actual accumulation of it. The spender stands in his driveway, proudly polishing the hood of a brand new, gleaming luxury car. The sun glints off the chrome. He smiles, admiring his reflection in the pristine paintwork, clearly pleased with his purchase. In contrast, the rich mindset focuses on acquiring true assets, things that generate income and put money into your pocket. They understand that wealth isn't about what you spend, but what you own that makes you money. Their goal is to have their money work for them, not the other way around. In his home office, the investor sits at his laptop. The screen shows a real estate website with a listing for a rental property. With a confident click of the mouse, he finalizes the purchase. A confirmation message pops up. Congratulations, you are now the owner. The second major distinction is the approach to investing versus saving. The poor mindset is often dominated by fear, leading them to believe that saving money is the safest and only path to financial security. They see the stock market and business ventures as a casino where you're likely to lose everything. The spender sits at his kitchen table, carefully dropping coins one by one into a small ceramic piggy bank. The clinking sound is small and unsatisfying. He shakes the piggy bank, hearing the limited amount of change rattle inside, a look of uncertainty on his face. The rich mindset, however, understands that saving alone is a losing game due to inflation. They know that to truly build wealth, you must invest your money so it can grow exponentially. They see calculated risk not as a threat, but as an opportunity for significant returns. The investor places a stack of bills on a table. The bills magically transform and sprout into a small sapling. The sapling quickly grows into a large, flourishing tree with dollar signs hanging from its branches like fruit, symbolizing the power of compounding investments. Finally, the most significant divider is action versus hesitation. The poor mindset is often paralyzed by fear of failure and what-ifs. They analyze opportunities to death, waiting for the perfect moment that never comes, and ultimately talk themselves out of taking the necessary risks to get ahead. The spender walks down a street and stops in front of a small cafe with a "for sale" sign in the window. He looks intrigued, then pulls out a calculator, his expression turning to one of nervousness and doubt. After a moment, he shakes his head and walks away. The rich mindset is defined by decisive action. While they do their due diligence, they understand that there is no reward without risk, and that failure is often a stepping stone to success. They seize opportunities and learn from their mistakes, rather than letting fear dictate their choices. The investor, looking confident and determined, stands across from another business person. They are in a sleek corporate boardroom. They firmly shake hands, a signed contract visible on the table between them, sealing a major business deal. Both smile, signifying a successful partnership. A quick montage begins. The investor is seen enjoying his life, laughing with his family on a beautiful beach, cheersing with friends at a nice dinner, and peacefully reading a book in a hammock. This is contrasted with scenes of the spender looking stressed, sitting at his table, surrounded by a pile of bills and overdue notices, his head in his hands. Ultimately, the path to financial freedom isn't paved with a high salary or a lucky break. It's built with a powerful mindset that prioritizes acquiring assets, embraces investing, and takes decisive action. Which path will you choose?